This is a typical question you would find on a mathematics exam paper. Let's look at the question on the next slide. A bag contains only red, purple and green marbles. The probability of picking a purple marble is 1/4. The probability of picking a red marble is 1/2. Let R represent the number of red marbles in the bag, and we can see therefore from the question that R equals 8. The probability of picking a purple marble plus the probability of picking a red marble plus the probability of picking a green marble will equal 1. We can rewrite this using the figures we've got from above. So we can write down 1/4 for the probability of picking a purple marble plus 1/2, which is the probability of picking a red marble plus the probability of picking a green marble, which we don't yet know, and of course all of this will equal 1. We can further write this out as 3/4 plus the probability of picking a green marble equals 1. And of course we got the 3/4 for adding up these two numbers. Of course I've got to get rid of this 3/4, so I can achieve that by taking 3/4 from both sides of the equal sign. And that will give me here the probability of green, and on the other side you can see I've got 1 minus 3/4, which equals 1/4. We can find the probability of picking red by taking the number of red marbles, which is 8, and dividing that by the total number of marbles that we currently do not know but we're attempting to find. This can be made equal to 1/2 because that is the probability we were given for the selecting of red marbles from the bag. We can cross multiply, so 8 times 2 is 16 and 1 times t is t. So we can see that the total number of marbles in the bag is 16. We will take the information that is found on this slide over to the next slide, and you can see we have the probability of purple being 1/4, the probability of red being 1/2, the probability of green, which we worked out on the last slide, to be 1/4. R is the number of red marbles in the bag, and we found that T was the total number of marbles in the bag. Let G equal the total number of green marbles in the bag. The probability of green being chosen will be equal to G, the number of green marbles in the bag, divided by T, which is the total number of marbles in the bag, which we know to be 16. We also know that the probability of green is 1/4. Consequently, I can write here equals 1/4. We know the total number of marbles is 16, so I can substitute that 16 to here. So we have G divided by 16 equals 1/4. The next step is to multiply both sides by 16. These 16s cancel, leaving on this side of the equal sign G, and 1/4 times 16 is 4. So we can say G, which represents the number of green marbles in the bag, is equal to 4.